internationally. I did my hair transplant from Medlinks under the guidance of Dr. Krishna and his team. Start at in January. At the starting point, I was a bit skeptical in whom to choose, but through personal contacts and by surfing on the internet, I got to know about Dr. Krishna. So I came here, got my questions answered, and as well as then I started doing my therapies. But after, like while in surgery, I had no issues. Dr. Krishna was extremely professional along with his team. I had no difficulties even after my transplant. There was a regular follow up, exchange of pictures, and all of my queries were answered again and again. So, anyone who wants to have a hair transplant, I would highly recommend him to come to Medlinks, get their queries sorted, and please have a hair transplant under the guidance of Dr. Krishna and his team. Thank you.